New equipment. New camera? Or how about a drone? I don't know. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Cleveland from Urbantravelersguide. You're probably wondering, like, what are you doing? Currently, right now, I'm making a Christmas list for you guys and also to enter into 2020 and the new gear for technology and for videography. So let's start right now. What's up guys, my name is Cleveland. Welcome to Urbantravelersguide. For those that don't know me, on this channel what we do is we help people travel. We delve deep within cultures and explore what makes the country its purest diamond. And also we do tech reviews as well, so you're in for a treat. But other than that, so you're probably in the same position as I am, trying to figure out, what do I want for Christmas? Or better yet, how do I want to leave 2019 and enter the 2020 with that 2020 vision, if you feel what I'm saying, to get on the right path and start making content. If it's just for vlogs or if it's just for fun or professionally today. So right now we are currently shooting on the Canon M50, the world-renowned mirrorless camera that can actually shoot at 4K. But here's the thing, a lot of people didn't like it at first, but now a lot of people are at it. They're talking about this camera. I had to get this camera to see for myself. So I've been shooting with this camera for 6 months and I love it. And absolutely it changed my life. I've shot in videos where it was like in different situations with low light, but even though that this camera does not perform well in low light, I was able to deliver a precise B-roll and I loved it. But now on the photography aspect, I love it for the fact that it takes awesome photos. Like, I've taken stock photos, especially when I was in Istanbul. I loved every aspect of the camera, but the only downside of it is when it comes to long exposures, especially at night, and I love being able to push the limits of what I'm doing. Like, I literally have to carry 2 batteries. That's the only stipulation you have to worry about when it comes to utilizing that Canon M50. Other than that, it's an awesome camera. It's lightweight. You don't have to worry about like carrying a big old DSLR or anything bulky. And plus, I personally believe it is travel friendly because you can be able to put in your book bag or your pocket with no problem. And there's quite a few lenses for this type of model that was released probably within like a couple months from Sigma with 15 millimeters, which is a really good lens. But on the other side, if you get this Speedbooster or a Canon adapter, you can also mount EF lenses. So that's a really good benefit. As you can see right here, I have quite a few myself that I've utilized for this camera. And believe it or not, the quality that this camera brings is really phenomenal. Now, if you're looking for something that's smaller or on the go, I got something for you. And then it's starting with the GoPro Hero 7. So we're testing out the sound quality of the GoPro Hero 7 right now. And I love how much of the field of view that you have, and especially the width. It's ridiculous with a wide angle lens on this. And to top it off, you can add a little more accessories. Like, you can add like a screen protector on both ends, on the back screen and the front screen. You can also add a little adapter for the external mic, which is really good quality. You also get an awesome combo when it comes to vlogging, so you pretty much have an awesome kit. So pretty much, you're not losing out on anything if you try this. And to top it off, like, who doesn't want a set like this? Like, who wouldn't want this? And guess what? You're saving so much money. Most people spend thousands of dollars on something that they don't use. But if you're utilizing this, but like, guess what? You're not losing. So it's like right now, the GoPro is little under $299, and plus if you add little accessories, you're paying within like $300 to $350. Plus with this Gorilla Pod as well. So let's move on to the next topic. Since we're at this last part, I personally would recommend you can either get both, but it depends on what spectrum of creativity are you going for. Are you going for the action explorer, or are you going to the content creator slash photography? So it touches on different things. Either way, you both cameras with the lens kit for the M50 and then plus the GoPro Hero 7, you're pretty much paying for the same cost. But it depends on what you want to do. So at the end of the day, it's about the content you're creating. It's not about the type of equipment you have, because at the end of the day, it's how you're going to deliver the message. And lastly, if you want more information about different types of cameras, personally, if you're looking for the Sony a700, you should definitely check out my man Lance. He is phenomenal, and he did a review about a special type of lens he uses. So honestly, you should go check out his channel. And especially if you like this video and if you want to see more content like this, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your family, because they're gonna love it. Like whoever, like even if you're doing this for yourself, if it's a Christmas gift for anybody that you know, send it to them. And also, like, it's a great idea to figure out how to create content and get the best equipment for a low cost. So I'll see you in the next chapter. Peace.